their run here so early. Gusto MSC 2025. At para malaban natin lahat ng mga naganap ay ipasa na natin to sa ating taluhan. Isa sa mga na-realize kong dahilan or yung may sala talaga mismo is yung Aurora Turkey. Bakit kasi nila ginalit yung Onyx PH ng ganito kalala? Area 77, GG's, kapwa Pinoy namin kayo, love namin kayo, alam niyo yan, OG's. Pero isa lang ang dapat magpatuloy dito, and at that moment, Onyx Philippines really showed them how it's done. Oh, at saka dito for Area 77, going back, parang aalalahanin nila itong moment na to. I believe applicable din siya sa totoong buhay na every failure, mararamdaman mo yun eh. Tapos babalik ka the next time, mas magaling ka na, mas prepared ka na, and kailangan nila i-embrace yun. Kailangan nila ma-experience yung ganito para alam nila kung saan nila i-improve yung kanilang sarili. Because I think same goes with Onyx Philippines before nila na-achieve yung kanilang first championship title during M6 and such. Mentor, I agree with what you said. Atina, kung naririnig ka ng Area 77 ngayon, anong advice mo para sa kanila? You learn from your mistakes. Gamitin niyo tong inspirasyon to do better than great. Mentor, no, nakaraang campaign ba yun na? Pero gets naman kita. Ikaw ba gusto mo maging mentor, Delar? Oh, okay ka rin. Okay na. O sige, mahilasi ko lang Area 77, empty lang. But kasi ganun talaga ang naging ruta. Obviously, Onyx Philippines, they didn't want to end. So nila na matapos, may pagpatuloy pa ang kanilang nasimulan. 11 minutes and 53 seconds. Was it expected, lalo na nung nagsimula pa lamang in draft, based on what you guys saw? Actually, yes. Kasi first 2 kills, agad napunta kay King Kong dito. Parang at that time, sabi ko, nako, GG na to for Area 77. Kasi kung hindi na may hero sila, scaling yung 1-1, tapos kapag pagdating naman doon sa Esmeralda, even Joyd, madali na lang siya ma-shred ng YS kasi definitely for King Kong with jungling, or jungler Minchin, I agree with what you said.